Strengthening Faith 26. In a divine narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 6833, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised that the more one obeys Allah, the Exalted, which involves fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions and facing destiny with patience according to the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, the greater the mercy of Allah, the Exalted, they will receive. In each case, a Muslim's minimal effort will lead to receiving a greater mercy. This mercy will ensure they are rightly guided through every situation they face, so that they overcome them in order to obtain peace of mind, body, and true lasting success in both worlds. Chapter 16 An-Nahl, verse 97.
Whoever does righteousness, whether male or female, while he is a believer, we will surely cause him to live a good life, and we will surely give them their reward in the hereafter according to the best of what they used to do.
But the one who holds back from the obedience of Allah, the Exalted, and instead uses the blessings they have been granted in ways pleasing to themselves, will not obtain this mercy, and they therefore will not obtain right guidance during their life. Instead, they will encounter one difficulty after another, one moment of darkness after another. Chapter 20 Taha, verse 124.
And whoever turns away from my remembrance, indeed he will have a depressed, i.e. difficult life, and we will gather, i.e. raise him on the day of resurrection blind.